Our big story at 10 tonight, a federal judge asking prosecutors to file criminal contempt charges against Maricopa County Sheriff Joe Arpaio.
Make no mistake about it, this is a devastating blow to Arpaio's aura of invincibility and possibly to his career as sheriff.
Team 12's Bram Resnick joining us with what this could mean. Could Arpaio end up in jail?
That is a question a lot of people are asking tonight. The sheriff's lawyer telling us Arpaio was disappointed when he got word of the judge's orders, but he still isn't quitting. All this coming just 11 days before the Republican primary for sheriff. Arpaio seeking a 7th term in office. Federal Judge Murray Snow's ruling Friday came as no surprise. At a court hearing in July, Snow said Sheriff Joe Arpaio had lied to his face. Now America's toughest sheriff faces charges of criminal contempt for intentionally ignoring the judge's orders to stop racially profiling Latino drivers.
He didn't do it. He would like to see the case go away.
Arpaio's fate now in the hands of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Phoenix and Attorney General Loretta Lynch in Washington, D.C. They'll have to decide whether to go ahead and charge the sheriff with criminal contempt.
He's not going to resign. He's not going to step down. He's going to go forward with his election plans.
Whatever happens in this case could take months to play out. The likelihood of the 84-year-old sheriff seeing the inside of a jail cell is slim. But the order by Judge Snow, an appointee of Republican President George W. Bush, marks the first time Arpaio could be held personally accountable for his actions. The attorneys who've pursued Arpaio says it sends a message to all of the sheriff's deputies.
That the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office needs to get their acts together and start complying with court orders ASAP.
The contempt case grew out of a 9-year-old racial profiling lawsuit against Joe Arpaio. The lawsuit has cost Maricopa County taxpayers $60 million and counting, but Mark Arpaio will have to pay his own bills in this criminal case, and that could get pricey.
Yeah, and Hispanic leaders, Bram, tonight were quick to react. They've been, of course, fighting Arpaio for years, both in and out of court, and they called what happened today redemption.
And we've never seen somebody abuse his power to the extent that he thought he was so above the law that he could take on the federal judiciary. Lord have mercy. The point is, can you imagine what he thought he could do to an undocumented mother who was walking her children to school and was picked up as part of his immigration sweeps?
When someone violates a court order, there's going to be consequences, and Arpaio is going to face these consequences.
It's a moment of redemption for all of those people who were dragged out in the middle of the night, for mothers who were forced to give birth, shackled in one of Arpaio's jails. It's a moment of redemption for all of them.
Our team coverage continues online. Stay with 12news.com for any updates as soon as we get them into the newsroom.